Welcome again to my tutorials. This one will be about a randomizer, and you should be able to learn how to generate random numbers, to know how to make them, and be able to identify which random function is for what value. Now I'll give you a few examples. There's so many examples of randomizers out there, but I've only selected some of them, the most commonly used ones, and I'm hoping that you benefit from it. Now, if you want Python to run any random functions, first of all you need to import it from the Python library. So you write import random. Okay, now when you say import random, you are actually allowing Python to run your random any random function. Now I'm going to declare a variable. I'm going to name it maybe a, and I'm going to say now this function is only set within a certain range, let's say from 1 to 10. Okay, but this is got to be an integer value, so I can say random.randint, and then I set my range from 1 to, let's say, 5, or around 1 to 10. Okay, which means this sets variable a any random number from 1 to 10. Okay, so if we run a and we say print a, okay, so it's gonna generate a random, oh hang on, oh rand int, sorry, made my mistake. So it's gonna generate a random number from 1 to 10. Okay, I can even add some words. I'm gonna format everything to be in a form of a string. Okay, I put my variable in curly braces and then say the random number is, and then that's going to show us the random number. Okay, so the random number is 4, do it again, is 1, and again is 8. Okay, so let's first of all comment this out. Okay, so now we'll try b is equal to, now this time we are going to generate any random numbers between 0 and 1. Okay, so b is equal to random dot, hang on, dot random. Yep, now this will generate random numbers. Okay, this sets, now it sets b for any random value from 0 to 1, e.g. okay, 0.5. yeah, now again if I print out b, let's try this and see. So we put b there, and then that, run it. It says the random number is 0.27 and so forth. Yeah, again random number is 0.75 and so forth. It's all values between 0 and 1. Okay, so it keeps doing that. Okay, so that's another type of random. Now we need to set the c. Okay, c, what c is going to do, c will be equal to random dot uniform. Okay, now what does this do? Random dot uniform, okay, it's going to, you can set the range. Okay, you can say random uniform 2 to maybe 10. Okay, 2 to 1 to 10. Yeah, so what does this do? This one sets c to any random value, okay, between 1 and 10. Okay, including decimal points, decimals. Yeah, e.g. 1.8. yeah, now again let's run c and c. Okay, that would be c, and then there, you see, random number is 5.9, random number is 9.5. yeah, so if you want your random numbers to include decimals, you use uniform. Right, now lastly let me first of all comment this out. So now we have a D. Now this is an interesting one. Okay, this is gonna be a list. Okay, now the list, let's first of all name it list of. Okay, this is a listed word. Okay, it can be usable in Python, but if we call our variable list of, and then we set our list, and let's say politics, that's the first item. Then we have money, second one, and then we have religion. Okay, and then we also have, let's say, nature. What do you choose? We are now going to set let's say the variable called chosen. Okay, and we're gonna say this is going to be random. Okay, random dot choice. Okay, oh, what have I done? Dot choice. But now when we say random dot choice, we want it to be list of. Okay, so what happens here? Set list of to contain a list of words. Okay, that's what this function, this line 12 does, and then line 14 sets from list of. Yeah, from list of. Now let me make this different from all the other words to know that this is actually a variable. That's what it is. Now I am going to print my any chosen words from the list, and I will say printf the random word is, and then I write you guessed it, chosen. Okay, random word is chosen. Now if I run it, you see random word is politics, random word is religion, random word is money. Okay, so that's another way of doing it. Yeah, so I hope you enjoy my video, and please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like my video, and see you in the next video. Thank you.